Welcome to a new world of fitness. Today we're diving into effective cardio workouts to shed pounds fast, including HIIT and more. Cardio workouts are like a magic key to fat loss, and when you incorporate high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into your routine, the results can be astonishing. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise, and it's a proven method to supercharge your fitness journey. Ready to sweat it out and burn those calories? Then gear up. Gear. Cardio has always been a key component in any fitness regime, but why is it so important? Well, let's break it down. First off, cardio exercises are great for your heart. How so? Well, just like any other muscle, your heart needs to be worked out to stay strong and healthy. Regular cardio activity makes your heart pump faster, and over time this strengthens it, reducing the risk of heart disease. Next up, cardio can give your metabolism a nice little boost. When you're engaging in cardio, your body is burning calories. But the magic doesn't stop there. Even after your workout, your body keeps burning calories at an elevated rate. This phenomenon, known as the afterburn effect, is a great way to keep your metabolism ticking over nicely. And of course, cardio is a fantastic tool for weight loss. It burns calories, helping to create that all-important calorie deficit that leads to weight loss. So, cardio isn't just about losing weight, it's about leading a healthier and fitter lifestyle. Scene script. Let's delve deeper into one of the most effective forms of cardio, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. At its core, HIIT is a type of workout that alternates between intense bursts of activity and fixed periods of less intense activity, or even complete rest. It's a cardio strategy that is designed to improve performance with shorter training sessions. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, imagine sprinting full force for 30 seconds, then walking for 30 seconds, and repeating this cycle for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's HIIT in a nutshell. The beauty of HIIT is that it's adaptable. You can adjust the high-intensity intervals, the recovery periods, and the total workout duration to suit your fitness level. But why is HIIT so effective for weight loss? The answer lies in its ability to boost your metabolism, even hours after your workout. During those intense bursts of exercise, your body works harder than it does during steady-state cardio, like jogging. This means you burn more calories in less time. But the calorie-burning benefits don't stop there. See, when you push your body into this intense exercise mode, you create a metabolic disturbance, which results in an increased oxygen demand in your body. This phenomenon is known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. In simple terms, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even when you're resting or doing low-intensity activities to restore its oxygen levels to normal. Moreover, HIIT can also stimulate the production of human growth hormone, or HGH, during the 24 hours after you finish your workout. HGH is not only responsible for increased caloric burn, but also slows down the aging process, making you feel and look younger. So, in essence, with HIIT, you're not just working out smarter by maximizing your calorie burn in a shorter amount of time, but you're also reaping the benefits long after your workout session has ended. With HIIT, you're not just burning calories during your workout, but also after it. That's the magic of HIIT. Now it's time to get moving. Here's a simple yet effective HIIT workout you can do at home. Let's kick off with a warm-up to prepare your body for the intense workout ahead. Start with a light jog in place for about 2 minutes, followed by dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists for another 3 minutes. Remember, the goal is to get your heart rate up and your muscles warm. Once you're all warmed up, it's time to dive into the workout. Our first exercise is the classic jumping jack. Stand straight with your feet together and hands by your side. Jump up, spread your legs wide, and swing your arms up over your head. Then jump back to the starting position. Aim for 20 reps in 30 seconds. Next up, we have burpees. Begin in a standing position. Drop into a squat. Place your hands on the ground, then kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Stand up and jump into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Repeat this for another 20 reps in 30 seconds. Moving on, we have high knees. This exercise is essentially running in place, but with an emphasis on bringing your knees as high as possible. Try to maintain a fast pace for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to do squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat, then explode upwards, jumping as high as you can. When you land, immediately lower back into the squat position. Repeat this for 20 reps in 30 seconds. After each exercise, take a 10 to 15 second break. This is crucial for HIIT workouts. These short recovery periods allow you to maintain a high intensity throughout the workout. Once you've completed all 4 exercises, that's 1 round. Aim to do 3 to 4 rounds in total with a 1-minute break between each round. Now here's the best part about HIIT workouts. They are super flexible. You can adjust the number of reps, the duration of the exercises, the length of the recovery periods, and the number of rounds based on your fitness level. The key is to keep challenging yourself. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And there you have it. A simple, yet effective HIIT workout that you can do right at home. It may seem tough at first, but with consistency, you'll see improvements in your fitness level in no time. Remember, it's not about how long you work out, but how intense those workouts are. Give it your all. While HIIT is a great way to get your heart rate up, there are other cardio workouts that are just as effective. Now let's dive into some of these other cardio workouts. Running, for instance, is an excellent cardio workout. Whether you're sprinting or going for a long-distance jog, running can help increase your heart rate and burn calories. It also helps to build endurance and strengthen your legs. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime, and it doesn't require any special equipment. Next up is cycling. Whether you're on a road bike, a stationary bike, or taking a spin class, cycling is a fantastic way to get your heart pumping. It's a low-impact exercise, meaning it's easier on your joints than running. Plus, it's a great way to explore your neighborhood or local park. Swimming is another excellent form of cardio. It works your entire body, from your arms and legs to your core. Plus, the water provides resistance, making your muscles work harder and helping you burn even more calories. And let's not forget, it's also a great way to cool down on a hot day. Last but certainly not least is skipping. Yes, you heard that right. The simple act of jumping rope can be an incredibly effective cardio workout. It's a full-body exercise that increases your heart rate, improves coordination, and can be done just about anywhere. And just like running, it doesn't require any special equipment, just a jump rope. Of course, these are just a few examples. There are plenty of other cardio workouts out there, from stair climbing to rowing to dancing. The most important thing is to find a workout that you enjoy. After all, if you're having fun, you're more likely to stick with it. And sticking with it is what leads to results. The key is to find a cardio workout you enjoy. That way, you'll be more likely to stick with it. With a good mix of cardio workouts, you can shed those pounds faster than you think. As we've explored today, cardio is a vital component of any fitness regime, not only for weight loss but for overall health and well-being. It increases your heart rate, improves circulation, and can significantly boost your mood and energy levels. We dove into the concept of high-intensity interval training, otherwise known as HIIT. This powerful workout method alternates between intense bursts of activity and fixed periods of less intense activity, or even complete rest. It's a fantastic way to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time, and is adaptable to any fitness level. But HIIT isn't the only game in town when it comes to effective cardio workouts. We also shed light on other methods, such as circuit training, boxing, or even a dynamic dance class. All these workouts can torch calories, build endurance, and add a fun twist to your exercise routine. Remember, the key to any successful workout program is consistency. So, choose what you love, mix it up to keep things interesting, and most importantly, keep moving. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, we'd love to hear what you think of this video in the comments below. Stay fit and stay healthy.